This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheels and engage reverse gear. Where applicable, using the tool provided, remove the centre cap from the wheel. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Use a jack to raise the training arm a little until the shock absorber is slightly compressed. Apply some releasing fluid, then unscrew and remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Working inside the luggage compartment, prise the rubber cap from the upper mounting. Holding the piston rod stationary with an open-ended spanner, unscrew the upper mounting nut. Remove the upper mounting rubber and withdraw the shock absorber from the wheel arch. Remove the upper mounting. Slide the upper mounting onto the piston rod, then manoeuvre the shock absorber into position. Refit the mounting rubber and the piston nut. Only lightly tighten the nut at this stage. Refit the lower mounting bolt, but only lightly tighten it. Lower the trailing arm. Locate the wheel over the hub and align the mounting bolt holes. Insert and lightly tighten the bolts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Refit the centre cap and tighten the fastener. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. Tighten the upper mounting nut to the specified torque. Tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque.